Arsenal, 0. Liverpool, 2. Cheers, guys. The Arteta pack. The end is nigh, mate. The end is nigh. Booze at full time. Why are you booing? Trust your process. Trust your process. Trust it. Just back him. It takes time. It took Klopp 4 years. Trust your process. Trust your process. We've got bigger fish to fry. Really? Okay. How comes, yeah, real talk, right? How comes Liverpool are top of the league? Because I've been told all season that they're finished. And only Arsenal can challenge Man City. I also got told we've bridged the gap. The bench is fixed. The bench is fixed. Really? The bench is fixed. You need a goal? Bring on Eddie, who can't score any. Going well, isn't it? Well done. Oh, but we missed loads of chances. And what? Been telling you all season. But just be happy. But we're top of the league at Christmas. But we won the game. What are you lot waffling about? Where's our captain? Now, trust me, I am seething. I'm shaking with anger. Yeah, I've said all week. I tweeted earlier today, way before the game. I don't care about replay. F your replay. Yeah, you lose or draw, bin him. That is now 15 competitions, whether it be Premier League, Europa League, whatever, League Cup, FA Cup. He's won 1 out of 16. 1 out of 16. Almost like I was right. 3 weeks before he got the job. 25th of November, 19, mate. 25th of November, 2019, yeah? 25th of November 2019. Yeah. Why is everyone so late to the flipping party every time? Why? Oh, but we got a dog. Should have all known then. Anyone who weren't fully invested in this, get him out of the club, he ain't the man. You know, should have known when he's sitting there in his press conference for Nottingham Forest when we've already bottled the title. And if we lose, Man City win the title and secure it. And he's sitting there smiling and smirking to your faces, telling you, but we bought a Labrador. But we called it win. Why did you call it win, Mikel? Why did you call it win? I've wrote a book about you called Arteta's Revolution. Get out of here, man. I'm sick to death of this. Yeah? It's finished. It is done. It is done. Yeah? How dare you? How dare you? Anyone still backing this, by the way? Cool. You're too far gone to be saved. Rehab is available. They tried to make me go to rehab, and I said, no. Mikel's the man, but he needs a striker. But we got injuries. Get out of it. Get in the bin. Entra en la basura. I am sick to death of sitting here day in, day out, going all over the internet, being clipped up. Oh, look, he's not celebrating 29's goals. What did he do tonight, by the way, apart from miss a load of sitters? Starboy. Starboy. We need to have a conversation about Starboy. Starboy. Let's just drink your tears in for anyone who's, oh, he's the best right winger in the world. Ain't even the best right winger in the league, mate. Cheers. Starboy. The real Starboy plays for Real Madrid. Vinny Jr. That's the real Starboy. He's the best right winger in the world, though, and he plays left. Okay, cool. Is he better than Kingsley Coman? Oh, he ain't, is he? Is he better than Mohamed Salah? Let's just have a real conversation here. And anyone who's watched me for a long time knows I don't really rate Salah that highly. Yeah, Salah's very effective. Good luck to him. Well done. Fantastic career for Liverpool. Mad output. But these output merchants, yeah, what, you calling out Saka tonight then? Where was his output? Man was doing that baby giraffe every time the ball came near him. It was like he was scared of the ball. Yeah, no, the floor has lava. Yeah, that's Bukayo Saka when the ball came to him tonight. Yeah, the ball is lava. Yeah, I'm sick to death of it. When can we call this out? When can we call this out? Why are you taking Reece Nelson off? Why? Why are you taking Reece Nelson off? Why didn't you take Star Boy off for stinking the gaff out again, who played again for the whole game? But I thought he had an injury. We've been told by these puppet mutants, the puppet journo mutants, that he's playing through injury. John Cross told us. John Cross told us he's got an injury. He's playing through an Achilles injury. Benny Blanco. Yeah? Excuse me? Who? What? Mate, I know you've got a sunbed at home, fella, yeah? Right? But real talk. Real talk. I know you want that hot weather training in Dubai, hence why you couldn't be bothered tonight, because if we'd got a replay today, the Dubai trip's cancelled. So was that the excuse? Is that the excuse? But I know you got a sunbed at home, fella, yeah? But real talk, you need to turn it down a little bit. Like, honestly, mate, yeah, I live in a hot country. It's hot 24/7 where I live in this part of Spain. And yes, I've got a load of lights on. I've got a nice tan. Yeah. But trust me, you're overdoing it, mate. You're overdoing it. And you're playing like trash. You were disgraceful tonight. Yeah. Kivior. Let's go to Kivior. In fact, rewind. Let's go to the goalkeeper. The goalkeeper. What are you laughing at? What, you made a save? Why are you laughing? Sticking your tongue out. What are you sticking your tongue out for, mate? Why are you laughing? Well, you made a save. That's your job. Oh, look at me. I've made a save. Let me high five everyone. What are you doing? Well done. You actually played all right. I'm going to give him a pass. Other than why are you laughing? Why are you laughing for making a save and high fiving and spud? Oh, look at me. Passion. Friends of Aaron that takes selfies with his dad in the crowd to be over the moon. Guess what? Guess what, mate? He ain't good enough. But either way, tonight he played very well. Very well. He did all right tonight. I'll give him a pass. Left back. Left back. Your wife's more famous than you, mate. Twerk champion of Europe. What are you doing? And why are you even in the team? Because you got hooked at half time against Fulham for playing left back. So then this manager's a genius, apparently. Oh, who else could we get if he leaves? Who we get him? Listen, let me tell you right now, when he leaves or gets sacked, either one's happening this season. Yeah, and when people catch up, which is always too late, maybe after the Porto loss, yeah, or maybe when Unai Emery or Ange Postecoglou finish above us. Because all three of these things could happen, by the way. Yeah, and Arteta out, cool. Back your process. Back your process. But either way, it worked so well he got hooks against Fulham. The genius that sat next to Pep shining his bald head and putting the cones out, yeah, went, I'm going to play you against Liverpool. That went well. Own goal. Own goal, yeah? Cool. Own goal. Well done, mate. Anyway, the two bozo genes at centre-back. The original bozo gene, actually played better than William Saliba tonight. William Saliba was extremely lucky on 2 or 3 occasions. Where were both of them for the goal? Yeah, where were both of them for both goals? Let's go into midfield. Say hi to Declan. Say hi to Declan. What are you waffling about? What are you doing? What is he doing? What did he do tonight? Oh, but he gets stuck in. Yeah, cool. Again, he's been very good this season at times. He's not the reason this team is not functioning properly. So again, I'm going to give him a slight pass. But he's on thin ice. Yeah, he's on thin ice. Jorginho. Why are you at my football club? Oh, because Lego Man brought you. Because it was cheap. Cool. Again, he controls games. Did we control that game? Did we can really control it? Klopp was pissing himself. That was one of the easiest games Klopp's had. All he had to do, all he had to do is put his best goalkeeper in goal, have Trent on the pitch, who played very well, by the way. Put Alexis at DM, and then just have Luis Diaz and Nunez running down the channels. Pretty damn straightforward, right? Hope that we miss a load of chances, which we did, because we're not clinical enough. Cool. Anyway, let's go to our captain. Hair flick. Hair flick. Hair flick. Spent most of his time on his batty, mate. Has he been taking lessons from Kivior's wife? Twerk champion and all that. Bounce. What's going on at this football club? Oh, it's the white kit. Shut up. Another virtue signaling load of waffle. Just because we wore a white kit don't mean kids are running around London and are going to stop stabbing each other. Do me a favour. Oh, let's get somebody out there. Oh, yeah, but, let's get a couple of people in. We'll put some somber music over it. We'll get some people out of the community. Yeah, and we'll make up loads of their stories and all of that. Yeah, we get the players, in still slow motion shots, looking at the floor. Shut up and start winning me trophies, mate. Yeah, I'm sick to death of this now. Yeah, let's go to Starboy. You need dropping. Real quick. Oh, but he's got 20 GA. And what? He has been trash all season. And do you know what? He's a big problem. He's a big problem. We're seeing Bukayo Saka in his prime. Because this is his prime, by the way. Yeah. Oh, but he'll get better the longer he goes. No, he won't. He'll be finished by 26. Michael Owen, Wayne Rooney. I'm not saying they were completely washed. I'm not saying Bukayo Saka will be completely washed. They'll still be very effective. However, the best of Michael Owen was 18 to 24 when he got the Madrid move. And the best of Wayne Rooney was when he got the move to Man United. And by 25, 26, he was dusted, really. He never hit the levels he did before. Why? Because they're undroppable. Bukayo Saka's getting that stage 90 minutes again. He's taking Reece off. Big up Reece. He's my man of the match. Reece. He's my man of the match. Big up to him. Should never have been subbed. He was our best attacker tonight. Big up to him. At least he looked like he was lively. He was direct. He was having a go. Cool. Let's talk about 29. Maybe we need to light another 29 pack. Yeah, should we light another 29 pack? Yeah? 29. How many chances do you need, mate? Real talk. How many chances do you need? This guy sleeps in a coffin. Sleeps in a coffin. How can I also predict, yeah? Get that geezer gone, by the way. Oh, we can't. He's on £1,666 an hour every hour of every day for the whole lifetime of that contract. But I profit off a loss. That guy walked around the football pitch for 87 minutes, missed 3 sitters. Yeah. When he had a chance where he scuffed it at the keeper, go and have a look at the touch. Cool. Let's talk about subs. How can me, Matty, and Ola predict, that as soon as Liverpool score, we'll bring Eddie on? How can we predict that? How can we predict, how can we predict that the game's going to end 2-0 as soon as they scored? I said the game's going to finish 2-0. How can I predict that? Almost like I've seen it all before, innit? Yeah? Get him gone. This is done. You can dress up all the PR. Woohoo! Ian Wright tweeted out at half-time, we need a killer. Shut up, mate. We'll out some more merch. Yeah? We'll out some more merch. Trust your process, mate. Martin Keown, waffling. Trust your process. Ray Parler, trust your process. And anyone else that's watching this that has chatted absolute smack about this manager. Oh, but who can we get? When he finally leaves, all jog on with him, mate. Yeah? All jog on with him. Yeah? It's not Mikel Arteta FC. It is Arsenal FC. How dare you? Yeah, yet again, you are 4 years behind, 4.5 years behind. But don't worry, I'm profiting off a loss tonight. No, do you know what I'm profiting off of? Yeah, realism, mate. Try it. And on that bombshell, we're out of here. Get in the bin. Entra en la basura y de puta Mikel Arteta para siempre.